spent more than 5 hours outside the craft, completing all his EVA tasks.
Surveyor accomplished everything that we had hoped for from that mission. 5 out of the 7 surveyors which were launched landed successfully on the surface of the moon and operated on the surface. With the surveyor photographs, we were able to show that landing a manned spacecraft on the moon is quite a reasonable undertaking, and in fact that the man will be able to walk on the surface of the moon without danger of falling through or sinking into the dust at any great depth. We were able to measure the bearing strength of the surface. We were able to get the general appearance of the surface, to point out that in certain areas of the moon at least, there were not very many large rocks which have to be contended with, but there were, of course, numerous smaller and smaller craters. We also found the first chemical analysis of the surface of the moon by Professor Turkovich's experiment, and this showed that in the areas that we landed, the rocks, or the surface material rather, was very similar to a basalt here on the Earth. We were also able to dig in the surface and get an idea of the feel of the surface as we went down a little bit below the surface. For a matter of a few inches, the material is very much like a soft sand to dig in.